So as I did this, this basically allowed me to set this up with those headline styles very quickly and very easily. Now, I want to do something a little bit different with the subheads that some of these have. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to use this to define a brand new style that's going to be based on my headline. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that and I'm going to search for a headline. And it's applied the styles that I want to be loaded in there. Now, I'm going to make this smaller. I just click 3 times to highlight the entire paragraph. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this type and I'm going to make it 14 points on 15-point leading. Now, I don't have a 15 here. It shows 14 or 18. That's okay. I can dial that in manually right here. I'm going to take this style that I've got right down here, and I'm going to not make that bold italic. I'm just going to make it bold. And as I've done there, you'll see what it does. It shows that it's headline, but it has overrides. I've made it bold. I've taken the type size and made it smaller, and the leading as well. We're going to create a new style that's based on this information. And when I click on that, and I double click on paragraph style 1, what I'll see is that it shows the attributes that were built into this. It says it's the headline, but it has these overrides. It's been made bold instead of bold italic. The size is 14 point, and the leading is 15 points. We're going to take this style name, and we're going to call it subhead. We're going to leave everything exactly the way we had it set before, and we're going to say OK. And when I do that, it creates a brand new subhead style that we've got right inside of here. By the way, as I explained in the last chapter of our InDesign CS6 Essentials course, I'm spelling subhead this way on purpose. So if I want to take this choose your learning speed, for example, and make it a subhead, I can do that. So for the time-saving, flexible, self-paced, and increased retention bullets we've got here, we can see that it's taken that and it's used that subhead style. Now this doesn't fit quite right. I've got one word going down to the next line. I'm going to cheat that by reducing the column width just a little bit. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 to highlight the entire paragraph. And I'm going to bring that down from 100% to 99, just a little cheat like so. And as I do that, it's going to take that and allow me to put that back on a single line. So we're doing pretty good here in formatting this text. Let me just bring this down just a little bit to give it a little bit more even space. And we're going to do one more thing. We're going to take these headlines that we've got right here, and we're going to make them the same Pantone 288 coded color build that we used for this back panel of our trifold brochure. And the way to do that is I'm going to get my text tool once again. I'm going to go to swatches. Let's bring this down to the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and highlight the entire thing. And I'm going to change that from black to Pantone 288. Do this once again. 1, 2, 3 to highlight the entire line. 1, 2, 3 to highlight the entire line. One last time. 1, 2, 3. And highlight the entire line. So as we've built that in, what we've been able to do is we've been able to apply a color build to that type. And sure enough, if I go back to my paragraph styles, I'll see there's a little plus that shows override. And in this case, what it is I've made it that Pantone 288 coded color build.